Welcome to this tutorial on assigning attributes to planning levels in SAP IBP. Each attribute in your planning area needs to be assigned to one or more planning levels except for those that are marked as planning level independent. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to assign attributes to planning levels step by step, so let's get started. Section 1. Accessing the Planning Areas app and initiating the process. Step 1. Enter the planning area ID or name to be assigned in the search field. Suppose the ID is IM. Step 2. Click the search icon. Step 3. Locate the IM planning area and click it to enter the planning area. Section 2. Selecting attributes to be assigned. Step 1. Now that we've accessed the planning area, let's click the Attributes tab to assign attributes to planning levels. Step 2. Enter the attribute ID or name you want to assign in the search field. For example, the attribute ID is ICHEC. Step 3. Click the search icon. Step 4. Locate the ICHEC attribute and select the checkbox on the left. Section 3. Assigning attributes to planning levels. Step 1. Click Assign to Planning Levels button. Step 2. Now the Assign Attribute to Planning Levels dialog appears. Enter the planning level ID or name you want to assign in the search field. For example, the planning level ID is IMPL. Step 3. Click the search icon. Step 4. Locate the IMPL planning level and select the checkbox on the left. You can add as many additional planning levels as needed. Step 5. After adding the planning levels, click the Assign button. To summarize, in this tutorial we covered how to assign attributes to planning levels in SAP IBP, including accessing the Planning Areas app, selecting attribute, and assigning it to planning levels. Additionally, when you add a new attribute to your planning area, you can assign them simultaneously during the add process. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it insightful.